a family adventure. Once upon a time, in a small town, lived a happy family. The family was made up of four members: Tom, his sister Lily, their mom, and their dad. They loved to spend time together, and every weekend was special. One sunny Saturday, Tom had an idea. "Let's go on an adventure," he said. Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Yes, let's go to the park," Mom and Dad agreed, and soon they were all ready. They packed a picnic basket with sandwiches, fruits, and juice. Then, they took their bicycle and walked to the park. The park was beautiful. There were big trees, colorful flowers, and a sparkling pond. At the park, they played games. Tom and Lily raced each other while Mom and Dad cheered. After playing, they found a nice spot under a big tree. They spread a blanket on the grass and opened the picnic basket. The food was delicious. After lunch, they went for a walk around the pond. They saw ducks swimming and children playing. Tom and Lily laughed and fed the ducks with some leftover bread. It was a perfect day. As the sun began to set, the family packed their things and headed home. They felt happy and tired. "This was the best adventure," Lily exclaimed. Tom smiled and said, "Yes, we should do this again." That night, as they sat together, they talked about their fun day. They realized that the best adventures are the ones spent with family, and they felt lucky to have each other.